my name is Madan. In our previous lecture, we have discussed about the photosynthetic pigment, and now we are going to discuss about the mechanism of photosynthesis. So, what is the mechanism of photosynthesis? So, photosynthesis it is a redox reaction. So, what is redox reaction? It means it contains oxidation and reduction process. So, here we have equation of photosynthesis, that is 6 molecule of carbon dioxide plus 6 molecule of water. When they combine, they form glucose molecule and they release oxygen is a byproduct. They release 6 molecule of oxygen is a byproduct. So here carbon dioxide that reduce to form glucose molecule, and here uh, water is split into hydrogen ions and oxygen. So oxygen that release and hydrogen that gives attachment to the carbohydrates. So this is oxidation and reduction. So we can say that photosynthesis is a redox reaction. Now what are the phases of photosynthesis? So there are two phases of photosynthesis. One is light reaction and other is dark reaction. So what is light reaction? So light reaction is a light depend. It is also called light dependent reaction, and dark reaction is called light independent reaction. So light reaction, there is no need. There is need of light energy in the form of photon. So that is why it is called light dependent reaction. So in dark reaction, there is no need of light. So that is why it is called dark reaction. So if we talk about the light reaction, that there are, it is also called photophosphorylation. What is photophosphorylation? Photophosphorylation means formation of ATP by using of light energy in the form of photon. So there are two types. One is cyclic phosphorylation and second is non-cyclic phosphorylation. So here the second name of dark reaction is Kelvin cycle, and third is C3 cycle. So here this is structure about the chlorophyll. So these are the thylakoid membrane, and this is remaining space is stroma. So when light fall on the st- thylakoid membrane, they use water and carbon dioxide, and they make ATP and NADPH. That ATP and NADPH utilized in the process of stroma means in dark reaction that reduce to form NADP and NADPH. So in stroma that they make sugar, that is G3P, that is glycerol 3 phosphate, by the use of RUB. RUBP is a 5 carbon compound. So this reaction occur in the dark. This reaction is dark reaction and this is light reaction. So here in thylakoid membrane, when light fall on it, they give oxygen as a byproduct. So this is about the structure of chlorophyll. So further we have phases of photosynthesis. So one is the light reaction and second is dark reaction. We will further discuss about the light reaction and dark reaction. So light reaction, that the site of reaction where light reaction occur, that occur in the thylakoid membrane. As we have previously discussed, that reaction occur in thylakoid membrane. And if we talk about dark reaction, that reaction occur in the stroma of the chloroplast. So if we talk about the light reaction, that there is use of energy, but in dark reaction there is no any kind of use of light energy. That occur without, in the absence of light energy, that occur 24 hours, but this light reaction occur only in daytime. So in the light reaction there is formation of ATP with that NADPH. In dark reaction, there is formation of carbohydrates. So carbohydrates in the form of G3P. What is G3P? That is glycerol 3 phosphate. So here this is product that form in the dark reaction. So if we talk about the reactant, what are the reactant in light reaction? The reactant are water is there and light are there and carbon dioxide there. So in light reaction, water that is split into hydrogen ions and plus oxygen. Oxygen that they release in the atmosphere that we human inhale, and light reaction that they capture light energy from the sun in the form of photon, and carbon dioxide that they take from the atmosphere. So these are the reactant from light reaction. So reactant from the dark reaction, that are carbon dioxide and energy. That energy ATP and ADPH comes from the light reaction. So when light reaction make ATP and NADPH, that energy utilized in the dark reaction. So by the help of RUBP, RUBP is a 5 carbon compound. If we discuss about the RUBP, that RUBP is a protein and its formula is carbon. It has carbon 5 atom and hydrogen 12 atom, oxygen 11 atom and phosphorus 2 atom. So if we talk about form that it is ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate. So it helps in carbon fixation. That RUBP helps the carbon fix with the G3P that comes from the atmosphere. So this is reactant from the dark reaction. Now, what are the product that make in the light reaction? That in light reaction, the product that form that are the NADPH2 and there with that ATP also. In dark reaction, there is only formed sugar that is G3P. It is a glycerol 3 phosphate. So here RUBP that is ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate. Why it is called ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate? Because it contains two phosphate. That is why it is called bisphosphate. One phosphate that is attached with first carbon and second phosphate that is attached with 5 carbon. That is why it is called ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate. So this is overall about the mechanism of photosynthesis. Now we further discuss about the light reaction. In light reaction there are cyclic process, there are non-cyclic process, there chemiosis there, and further we will discuss about the dark reaction. So thank you for watching my video.